Ever wake up feeling like you spent more time walking to the bathroom than sleeping? Millions of men over 60 face this nightly struggle. But what if you could reclaim your sleep with a simple trick? This video unlocks the secrets to hydration hacks for a restful night. Discover how to sip your way to sleep and avoid those disruptive bathroom breaks. Learn the daytime habits that make all the difference. Keep watching to find out how. Stop the shuffle, start sleeping. The nighttime struggle. You are in your 60s. You are lying in bed sound asleep. Suddenly, your eyes snap open. You groan in frustration, throw back the covers, and shuffle to the bathroom. Does this look familiar? That feeling of needing the bathroom again, interrupting a good night's sleep. You're not alone. Many men over 60 experience frequent nighttime bathroom trips. Understanding your body. The screen on the left shows a bustling factory with workers efficiently running machinery. The one on the right shows a calmer factory scene with fewer workers. As we age, our bodies work a little differently. During the day, our filtration system, much like a factory, operates at peak hours, processing fluids more efficiently. But at night, this process slows down, the fluids accumulate, leading to that urge to use the bathroom. Hydration matters. Now, staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. But here's the key: we want to spread our fluid intake throughout the day. Adjust your intake. Limit fluids closer to bedtime. This doesn't mean neglecting your daytime hydration, but rather spacing it out strategically. Also, be mindful of drinks like coffee, tea, and alcohol. They have diuretic properties, meaning they increase urination. So, go easy on them in the evenings. Sipping is key. Here's a simple trick. Sip water throughout the day, instead of chugging large amounts. Think of your bladder like a small reservoir. Overfilling it can trigger frequent trips. Prostate health. It's important to note that an enlarged prostate, a common condition in older men, can also contribute to nighttime urination. If you have concerns, talk to your doctor. Sleep soundly. By adjusting your fluid intake, you can significantly reduce those nighttime disruptions and enjoy a restful sleep. Just imagine waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Tips for better sleep. Here are some practical measures you can try out. Elevate your legs. Before bedtime, elevate your legs for about an hour. This can help redistribute fluid that accumulated in your ankles back into your bloodstream. For individuals with heart conditions, this method may be particularly effective. Keep a diary. Monitor your fluid intake throughout the day. Note what liquids you consume, including any diuretics or water pills. Record the frequency and duration of urination. If you're urinating more than 10 times in 24 hours, it might be excessive. Limit fluid intake before bed. Take about 250 milliliters, 8 fluid ounces of water, about the size of a can, drink at least 2 hours before you sleep. You can adjust this amount up and down according to your body's needs. Try this regime and gradually adjust your intake and timing until you find one that best suits you.